Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to fix the problem of invalid IMEI. Before we continue, please hit the subscribe button to get more videos like these whenever they are just released. When the IMEI is invalid, you cannot make or receive calls or messages or get any other service from your service provider. We would need two applications to solve these issues. You would need to connect to a Wi-Fi network to download these applications from Play Store. The first application is the IMEI Generator app. You would need to open the application, select your phone model, though it is not a must that they match, copy the generated IMEI you like. Secondly, you need to download the MTK engineering mode. Open the MTK settings for MediaTek phones, select GPRS, then write IMEI that you previously copied from the IMEI Generator app. If your device has two SIM cards, you then have to write IMEI for both of them. Once the IMEI has been written successfully, you have to restart your phone. This way the problem for invalid IMEI will be solved. Leave your comments below in case of any difficulties. I'll be glad to help. Don't forget to hit the like button if you this video helpful.